Hey guys, so what we have here today is a 2014 Porsche Turbo S. This car came to us. It actually had been in a mechanic shop getting some repairs performed on it, and it was accidentally parked over a lift. And so what happened here is the in-ground lift was lifting up, caught the bottom of the bumper cover and continued to lift up and basically damaged a lot of the components underneath here, a lot of the plastic. As you'll see over here on the rack, the front bumper itself needs to be replaced. It put so much tension on it, actually tore it here at the top, as well as damaged the surround on the collision avoidance system. So this is our project for the day. As you can see, my technicians made notes here. Everything from on the upper portion here that was actually damaged from the pressure of the bumper cover coming up, on down to all the plastic components, the wiring that was torn. As minor as this appears, it's going to be an expensive repair. A lot of it's going to have to do with the parts. Bumper cover itself is about $2,300. The other plastic components, the grills, once we get into the wiring, it can add up rather quickly. So if we can get the parts, turnaround time is going to be really quick. But in our new world of supply chain issues and components, it could take 4 or 5 business days to get the parts that we need, or it could take 4 or 5 months. We don't know yet, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow us on our journey with all these unique, amazing vehicles that we're working on. Thanks for watching.